Hey everyone, this is a tutorial of how to make this adorable Easter bunny cake. Don't forget to subscribe and give a big thumbs up to this video. So let's get started. First, layer your cakes. I use vanilla cake. Next, place some buttercream on the cake board and place your first cake. And then place buttercream on top of that cake. Place the second cake on the first cake. And then give the cake a crumb coat. Place it in the fridge and then take it out of the fridge and cover it with some white fondant. And smooth it out with your hand and just cut off any excess at the bottom. Next, for the flower crown, for the roses, you're just going to take a rose tip and start piping around a small icing triangle that I made out of fondant. And I piped it on some parchment paper so you could peel it off easily. And then place it in the fridge so it hardens. Next, roll out some white fondant and use a big piping tip for like a template. Push half of the piping tip in the fondant and then use a knife to drag the line down. And these are going to be the bunny ears. Do the same with some pink fondant, but use a smaller piping tip to get smaller ears. And then use some water to stick them together. For the cheeks, just use another piping tip. I used the rose one because it's more oval. And then for the eyes, I just did the same. And then attach all the features of the face with some water on the cake. Make sure to leave some space for the flower crown. And then it should look something like this. And now you can add all your roses, some fondant leaves, some eggs. I used mini eggs to make it look super adorable, and don't forget to leave space for the ears. Add the ears in and it should look something like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. This is so adorable. I love this cake so much. It's just so cute, and I love the flower crown and how cute it looks, and it was kind of easy to make. So bye guys!